Michaela, can you hear me? Hello? Ms. Rodriguez, can you hear me?
Can you hear us?
Can you hear us?
Now I can.
Okay.
Is there a way for you to turn on your video?
Well, I got this.
Okay, I'm gonna go change my clothes real quick.
There you go. Okay, so much better.
I'm
Okay.
gonna go change. Can I go change my clothes real quick? Oh, that's fine. I can wait.
You're fine. You're fine. Okay, so your mom,
Yes.
Michaela's mom, and you're Michaela. How old are you, Michaela?
13.
13. Okay, so let's go ahead and get started. So Michaela, you're being charged with the offense of no driver's license. And what we need to do today is you need to enter a plea. And the way that this works is that you and your mom get to decide which plea you want to enter. And so at one point, you'll need to give me permission to go ahead and sign your name. And then mom, you'll need to give me permission to sign your name as well. So you need to enter a plea to the offense of no driver's license. The first choice you have is what we call a plea of no contest. That means you're not saying you did it, you're not saying you didn't do it, but you're telling the court you want to go ahead and get the fine and court costs taken care of. The second choice you have is a plea of guilty. Yes, I did it. The third choice is a plea of not guilty. No, I didn't do it, or I had a good reason for doing what I was doing, or I just want to have my day in court. Okay, so if you all want some time to sit and visit to decide which plea to enter, that's fine. You do that. If you already know, then just tell me so I can sign your name on which plea you want to enter.
Could you repeat it again? I'm so sorry.
That's okay. The first choice is a plea of no contest. That means she is not admitting or denying that she committed the offense of no driver's license, okay? But she still wants to get the fine and court costs taken care of. The second choice is a plea of guilty, pretty self-explanatory. The third choice is a plea of not guilty. If she enters a plea of not guilty, then that means that you would have a trial, either before the bench or with the jury.
So yeah, you have to plead guilty.
Yeah, guilty.
So which plea does she want to enter, or do you all want to enter?
I guess the second one.
The guilty?
Yes.
Okay. Is that what you want, Mom?
What's the first one? I can't say she didn't do it with it. I don't know.
The first one is no contest.
Yeah.
She's not admitting or denying that she did it, but she's telling the court she wants
The
to get it
first
taken
one,
care of.
right?
So the first one,
Yes, the
Michaela.
first one.
Michaela,
Yes, ma'am.
what are you doing?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, if you're on the phone, you need to get off. This is court. You need to pay attention.
No, it's just that my the father's calling her dad on my phone.
I
So
was turning it off.
Okay, well, if you were in court, guess what?
I'm
Your
gonna
phone
put it
would
on
be
volume.
off. So you need to turn it off. This is court.
I'm gonna turn it off.
Okay, so Michaela, so you and your mom, you want to enter a plea of no contest then?
Yes, ma'am.
So I'm signing your name, Michaela Rodriguez. I'm dating it today's date 2/11/2021. So Mom, what is your name?
Roxanne. Roxann.
Roxann Rodriguez?
Campos. Well, that's my married name, Rodriguez, but Campos.
Campos. Okay, so I signed your name next to hers. What is a good address for you guys?
It's
Mailing
2015
address.
South Cameron Street.
215?
2015
2015
Yes.
South
Cameron.
Cameron.
Apartment 11.
Apartment 11 here in Alice. Okay, and what about a good phone number, please, in case we need to get a hold of you?
361-460-5577.
Thank you. Okay, so the fine and court costs for this offense is a total of $206. Unfortunately, right now, we cannot do any community service because of COVID. So the only option we have is paying this fine and court costs of $206. So the options are, we can do a payment plan for up to 30 days, more than 30 days. And there are different ways that you can pay it. You can pay it online with a credit card or a debit card, or you can mail in.
Can I do a payment? Can I do a payment plan? Because I can't do it like pay all at once.
Yes, ma'am, we can do a payment plan. Do you want more than 30 days?
Yeah.
Okay. The lowest I can do is $50. How much can you pay every month?
I can probably do the $50 a month.
Okay, so I'll set you at $50 a month, and then we'll have the first payment due on March 1st.
Okay, that's fine.
Okay. Okay, so do either of you ladies, I'm sorry, go ahead.
Are you gonna send me all the information? Like, where do I do the payment
Yes,
plan?
ma'am.
and
That's why I
everything?
needed your address. My clerk is going to go ahead and send you all the information that you need. Both you and Michaela will need to sign off on it, and then you'll need to get it back to us. So you can mail it back to us, or you can come drop it off live in person. If you come on live in person to the clerk's, she's got there's a window, but you will need to wear a mask.
Yeah. Who does she have to come with me to drop it off, or I can do it myself?
You can do it yourself, just as long as she has
Then I
signed
can-
where she needed to sign.
Okay, and it's at the courthouse?
No, ma'am, not at the courthouse. You know where the police department is?
Yes.
Okay, it's in the front on Main Street. There is a door there. That's the door, and you'll come in, and then there'll be a door. You'll press a button, and the clerk will ask you, what you're here for, and you just say, well, I've got papers from municipal court that I need to turn in, or if you're here to make your payment, you can make your payment live, but you will need to wear a mask.
Yes.
Okay, or you can just mail them back to us if you're more comfortable with that.
And it has to
Okay.
be in order too, right?
Yeah. Do you all have any other
Okay.
questions?
No,
No,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Okay, thank you all for zooming in, and just keep an eye on your mailbox, okay?
Okay, thank you.
Thank you. Y'all have a good day.
You
You
too.
too.
Thank you.